In this video, I'm going to show you how to transcribe audio to text for free. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the search bar, search for Descript. In the search results, we need to click on Descript for Web. If you can't find this link, don't worry, I will attach the link in the description. On this web page, click on this link. Now you have to create an account in Descript. You can create your account manually or with Google. In my case, I will click on Continue with Google. Now log into Descript with your Google account. After logging in, Descript will ask you some questions about your preferences. Select any of the answers. It doesn't affect your work or project. Now it will ask you to select a payment plan. As we don't want it to cost money, I will select the free one. On this page, click on Skip and Continue. This is the home page of Descript. On this page, click on Get a Transcript. Click on Upload File. Select your audio file that you want to make a transcript of. In the pop-up, click on Done. In this pop-up, click on Skip. Here you can see a full transcript for your audio. If you need to change something in the transcript, just double-click on it and click on Correct. Now you can also change the words. You should remember that while using the free account, you can only make a transcript for the equivalent of 1 hour of audio. And if you have finished that time limit, you can just log into another account. After you are done, click on Export. In the drop-down menu, go to the Transcript tab. Here you can select the format of your file. I will leave it as a Microsoft Word document. After you are done, click on Export. Now save your exported file. Let's close the app now. Here's the document we just downloaded. If I open this, you can see that our transcript is ready as a Microsoft Word document. Following these steps, you can transcribe audio to text easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.